I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the phone unlocked, so open Settings now and get straight to it. Tap the gear icon or swipe twice and hit Settings. This saves navigation time. Use the search field at the top to find Display, Sound, or Apps. This avoids hunting through menus. Make sure Wi-Fi or Bluetooth is on if a setting depends on connectivity, because many options show only when the service is active. Once done, you'll be ready to refine system options efficiently. Next, dig into the core controls that affect daily use. In Display, lower brightness or enable adaptive brightness to save battery and reduce eye strain. Then open Apps to review permissions, revoke camera or location access for apps that don't need them. This protects privacy and reduces background activity. Make sure to set app defaults only when necessary, because changing them can affect how links open. Finally, visit notifications to silence or prioritize alerts. This reduces interruptions while keeping essential messages visible. Finish by applying and verifying your changes. Restart the phone so system-level updates fully take effect. After reboot, test essential functions, make a quick call, check Wi-Fi, open a location-based app to confirm behavior. If something isn't right, retrace recent edits and toggle options off then on. Clearing an app's cache or resetting app preferences often resolves conflicts without wiping data. If problems persist, use Settings Reset options for network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.